SUIT, S-I-U-T, was we probably did approximately 11 cases for pediatric cardiology intervention. We have been in West Bank, we have been in Gaza, we have been in Lebanon during the war, and now Pakistan. Pakistan has been the biggest supporter of the Palestinians, and as an organization that also is composed with a large number of Pakistanis, the decision was unanimous that we must support the people of Pakistan who could benefit from our expertise. So this is just in the last few weeks. Multiple teams have come from Fajr, all aiming to do the same thing, which is to bring the U.S. operating room to Kashmir, to Muzaffarabad, as well as Lahore and beyond. So we're extremely proud of that.